Welcome to our weekly market highlights, where we bring you the latest insights and trends shaping the financial landscape. Today we'll be covering key movements in both the stock market and bond market for the week ending 14th July 2024. Starting with the regional perspective, African equities markets were neutral with a 0% week-on-week return. Egypt was the best performing market with a 3% week-on-week return. Uganda lagged behind with a 1% discount for the week. Focusing on Kenya, the market was mildly bearish, posting a 0.8% drop in the NASI to close at 113.66 points. The trading activities declined 37.3% as compared to the previous week. Foreign investors were relatively inactive in the week, with their participation rate declining to 47.3% as compared to the previous week. Foreign investors, however, remained net bullish, clocking net inflows of 196 million shillings injected into the market. Moving on to specific counters, Safaricom was the most traded counter with an aggregate turnover of 462 million shillings, representing 41% of the total market activity. Foreign investors were most bullish on KCB, which saw net inflows of 177 million shillings, while their bullish sentiments were most pronounced on BAT, which saw net outflows of 17 million shillings. Moving on to the fixed income, Treasury Bills saw softening demand with a 94.7% undersubscription. The 91-day paper was more subscribed, raising 10.29 billion shillings in the week. The reopened 5-year and 10-year bonds were oversubscribed with a 138% subscription rate. The average rate of accepted bids was 18.16 and 16.39% for the 5-year and 10-year bonds, respectively. On the macroeconomic front, the Kenyan shilling appreciated against the US dollar 106 basis points to 128.66 shillings to the dollar. This lifts the year-to-date appreciation of the shilling to the dollar to 17.7%. The bond index declined 24.4 basis points, primarily driven by an offsetting jump in the 5-year yields by 164 basis points week on week. In the financial year 2024-2025 budget estimates tabled by the National Treasury on the 13th of June 2024, the government is planning to finance a 3.99 trillion shilling budget, this being an 8.5% increase from the previous fiscal year.